Hi, and welcome back to Northwood's Garage. Today we have a little bit different episode. We might start doing this more in the future. Not sure how I like what we're doing, but we're gonna get one more box next month to see if I like it. And this is my first diesel crate. And if you don't know what it is, it's just a box of diesel truck related stuff, and you can customize it to whatever brand you affiliate yourself with. So because I have my 6.0, I got the Powerstroke box. So far I haven't seen anything that's specifically Powerstroke related, but we'll see how I like it. So I did already open it just to see what was in here, but let's open it up and see what we got in here. So, this last month, there was a lot of stuff that a lot of people have been talking about with the EPA, and so there's a couple things they had in here that kind of made me laugh. The first is we got this t-shirt, and if you get it, you get it. The EPA, in the long run, is probably a good thing, but it's exciting to see that the diesel market will be expanding to not only do it more fuel efficient and emissions efficiently, but also to, see it where we don't have to go and take things off of trucks to make them more reliable. As companies become more able, we can create parts that we don't have to do that with. So it's kind of cool to see, but makes you laugh because right now it might not seem like a good thing, but in the future, hopefully it'll be a good thing. Also, with the t-shirt, it came with this sticker. I put it on my coffee cup because I want to get some more decals from companies, or eventually if I have my own decal, they'll put that on there and stuff like that. Alright, this also came in the box, is what I was trying to say. And next thing we got in the box, we have a nice microfiber towel. Can't, never have too much of those. Wiping off things, whether it be headlights, taillights, or, your chrome stripping, or interior glass, or interior parts. You can never have too many of the microfiber towels. Use them on the LeBaron a lot for detailing and stuff like that as well. And then we also got Desert Detail, their Guts Bug Remover. I like that name, Guts for the bug remover. And then you got your microfiber towel to wipe it down with, and it's supposed to remove bugs from your grill and anywhere else that windshield, stuff like that. And get a close-up of that. And so I'm happy I got this, because you can never always get the bugs off with just a typical wash. You really gotta scrub, so maybe this stuff will help in getting it off. I don't know why they sent it in the November crate though, being that it's winter, or beginning to come into winter now. We live up in the north, so winter starts a little early for us. I think October 21st, or sooner than that even, we got our first snow. So now that we got the salt on the roads, maybe they send a salt remover in the next one or something. That'd be nice. Also, at least they had the stocking cap, diesel crate on it, and I like the nice bright green with the black hat. Looks nice. At least they have that in there, being that it's getting colder outside, so we can throw that on, keep you warm. And they also sent this nice little pocket knife, keychain pocket knife to put on your keys. We'll be putting those on the, putting it on the truck, because you never know when you're, need a knife quick while you're trying to open something in the car. You gotta get your bag of peanuts open or something like that. Be useful. This little pocket knife there. And, so that's about what we got for our first truck box. We got the diesel crate hat, we got the little pocket knife, the bug remover, microfiber towel, t-shirt, and nice decal. So I think we'll get the next, we might get the next diesel crate as well. We might even get truck pack, because I know a lot of people compare the two, and maybe next month we'll compare them and see which one we like better and if we want to stick to one or not. I'm kind of leaning towards diesel because I got a diesel truck, and so we'll see what we do. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can follow my Instagram. It's Logan_Northwoods Garage, or NWG. So make sure you follow that, and I'll post when new videos are uploaded. And if you want, you can hit the notification bell, and you'll get the notification when I upload a new video. So until next time, drive safe.